Hey fellow campers, Ian Baker here. Today I thought we'd take a stroll through a fantastic line of fifth wheels, the Forest River Sabre. In length, they run from just over 30 feet up to nearly 43 feet, with most of them being over the 36-foot mark. In unloaded weight, the UVW as it were, you'll find they run from close to 7,800 pounds up to nearly 10,500 pounds, and most of them are over 10,000. Suffice to say, chances are strong the Forest River Sabre you select will need bigger than a half-ton truck to tow it. The Forest River Sabre line has a great variety of floor plans to choose from. A majority of them will have a queen bed with a king bed option in a slide-out. Those that do not, I will note. What I'll do is run through the floor plans by type with family-focused bunkhouse models first and do them by length. First up is one of limited supply, the 301BH. This one has a bunk room with a solid door for privacy in the rear. This bunk room has 3 twin beds and some drawer space. Outside the bunk room sits a large living area slide-out containing the fridge and a massive U-dinette. This sits across from an L-shaped kitchen and entertainment center with fireplace. Up front, the queen bed, not in a slide-out, sits centered in the front cap flanked by wardrobe closets, plus has an additional closet abutting the bathroom. All in all, the 301BH is capable of sleeping 7. The next bunkhouse, and I use this term a little bit loosely, is the 36BHQ. This model is a mid-bunk, so essentially a rear living floor plan with a bunkhouse style in the middle. This bunk room, so to speak, is a private room that contains a jackknife sofa and closet space. Above it sits a queen-size loft bunk area. In the front, you'll find a massive wardrobe closet complete with washer-dryer prep and a shoe rack. In the rear, the back wall holds a tri-fold sofa and the living area has opposing slide-outs. One slide pulls out theater seats and a freestanding dinette. The other holds the kitchen and the entertainment center with fireplace. Between, you'll find a large kitchen island with a farmhouse sink. The 36BHQ can sleep up to 7. Our final true bunkhouse floor plan is the nearly 43-foot 38DBQ. This baby has an impressive rear bunk room complete with its own entertainment center, closet space, jackknife sofa with the bunk above and trundle bed below, plus a full bath with an entry from the exterior. To top it off, literally, are a pair of twin bunks in a loft. In the middle, you'll find a spacious living area with opposing slide-outs with a large kitchen island between them. One slide houses theater seats and a freestanding dinette, while the other has the kitchen appliances as well as the TV with storage and fireplace. You'll also see the living area has a full-length pantry. Up front, the master bedroom is identical to the 36BHQ. The 38DBQ has the ability to sleep 7.
Okay, so I did just state true bunkhouse. We have another that's not quite a true bunkhouse, but is quite the fifth wheel with a bunkhouse feel. The all-new 37FLL. The 37FLL is designed like a front living model and in fact has the standard hide-a-bed sofas on opposing slides and the theater seats facing an entertainment center with a TV and fireplace. However, in the back, above the spacious master bedroom with its optional king bed, you'll find a large loft area providing sleeping space for at least 2 adults. The large U-shaped kitchen offers plenty of prep and cooking space, while the freestanding table and chairs is nestled in an off-door side slide, opening up the large kitchen. The 37FLL can sleep up to 8. Let's move on to the other front living model, the Sabre 37FLH. The front living area is identical to the 37FLL. However, the kitchen has dual opposing slides allowing for a center island, and the floor plan adds an extra half bath. The master bath is located next to the master bedroom, creating an ensuite with a double vanity. The 37FLH can sleep up to 6.
Now let's take a look at the rear living floor plans. First up, we have one in limited supply, the Sabre 270RL. This floor plan has a large U-dinette against its rear wall facing a kitchen island that has a large farmhouse sink. Opposing slide-outs finish off the living area with one housing the theater seats and a large full-length pantry, and the other has the kitchen appliances and large entertainment center with a fireplace. Up front, you'll find the queen bed not in a slide-out, but centered in the cap, flanked by wardrobe closets with an additional wardrobe closet abutting the bathroom. The 270RL can sleep 4, as can our next Sabre, the 32DPT. This model has the Sabre standard front bedroom and the bed on a slide with washer-dryer prep in the massive closet covering the front cap. The living area has the space you'll love with opposing slide-outs leaving space for a kitchen island. The slide-outs contain the theater seats and freestanding dinette on one side, and the kitchen appliances, pantry, and entertainment center with fireplace on the other. As with most rear living floor plans, the 32DPT sleeps 4. Our final Sabre rear living model is the limited 38 RDP. This model has a rear den, hence the RD, that comes with trifold sofas and opposing slide-outs and theater seats facing a large entertainment center with fireplace. In the middle, you'll find a fantastic kitchen setup with opposing slide-outs, making room for a large kitchen island with its farmhouse sink. Up front, you'll find the standard Sabre master bedroom. The 38 RDP can sleep up to 6. Another Sabre in limited supply is the 311 IKT with its ability to sleep 4. The IK stands for Island Kitchen, which sits in the middle of a spacious living area that has 2 large opposing slide-outs. One side pulls out the theater seats and the freestanding dinette, while the other side pulls out the range, a spacious buffet area, entertainment center with fireplace, and a full-length pantry. On the back wall, there's the fridge and yet more buffet counter space. Yes, this makes it a rear kitchen model. Up front, you'll find the standard Sabre bedroom with washer-dryer prep and king bed on a slide. Now we slide on over to our final Sabre floor plan, the camp chef's ultimate dream, the Sabre 37 FBT. The chef in your life can have a whole kitchen for their very own in the rear of the floor plan. You'll find a large L-shaped kitchen with its 14.7 cubic foot residential fridge and full-length pantry. While they are whipping up camp meals, you can lounge in complete luxury in the master suite. Yes, suite. Not only is the bed on a slide-out, but in the front cap sits a massive master bath complete with dual vanity sinks, walk-in shower, and a huge wardrobe closet with sliding doors. The FBT also has a half bath adjoining the main living area, so your master bath is truly your domain. In the middle of the layout, you'll find a mid-den, so to speak, with a pair of hide-to-bed sofas and theater seats across from an entertainment center. The 37 FBT also has a storage loft above the bed and can sleep up to 6. Now that we've taken a good look at the fabulous floor plans of the Forest River Sabre, let's dig a little deeper into some of the features you can expect to find. On the interior, camp comfort awaits you with a 15,000 BTU dual ducted AC, second AC prep, day-night zebra shades. The kitchen is covered in camp goodies such as solid surface countertops, farm-style sink with high-rise pull-down faucet with spring spout, and a large fridge with some models having a 14.7 cubic foot residential reefer. Entertainment is covered with a AM, FM, CD, DVD multimedia system with Bluetooth, USB charging ports in main bedroom, bunks, kitchen, and end tables, and a large residential size LED TV. Most Sabre models also have a centralized one control system for awning, slides, and lights that's Bluetooth compatible, theater seats with cup holders, heat, massage, and backlighting, washer-dryer prep, and a remote-run fireplace. On a Sabre exterior, you'll get camp convenience such as auto leveling, adjustable power awning with LED lighting, heated and enclosed underbelly with heated and enclosed gate valves, more ride entry steps, universal docking station, and rear view camera prep. Ready to go camping in a fifth wheel? Forest River's Sabre line of fifth wheels is chock full of camp goodies. We're sure you'll find a Sabre to please you and your camp-loving family.